you're gonna come with me today. Hi, please get a large oat milk cup with 1 sweetener 3/4 full. Oh, can't do it, but cheers. I'm doing the bay run now. This is like my new favorite thing to do. Actually, I've been doing it like 3 times a week, but I did used to do it every single day when I lived in this area. It's just like a beautiful walk. I don't even know if you guys can hear me because of the wind, but we got a busy day today. First step. Okay, that wind was hella crazy. And there was a magpie. Oh, lady, run. Run, run. I can't help you if he does. I'm sorry, I'm scared. You're on your own. But I will, because you're old. I'm sorry. I'm freaking sweating right now. I'm gonna go get a zero, frozen Coke Zero. Do they still have those at McDonald's? I really feel like one before I go and tan. But I almost feel like I actually got a bit of a tan out in the sun today. It was really hot. I'm running late, as per usual. My hair is an actual mess, but I'm at my mum's now. She lives behind my nonna. And I got my packages. Fun fact, my nonna does not know that I have tattoos, and my mum has always made me hide the one on the back of my neck since I got it and I was 18. So when I come here, my hair's in a pony. Why do I still get PTSD? Like, she's gonna look at it, or I'm gonna get in trouble from my mum. Like, I'm fucking 36 years old. Actually could fall asleep on the spot right now, but I've decided I really want to cook myself like a nice big bowl of soup with lots of protein in it. I'm going to the shops and getting everything that I need, but that drive really took it out for me because there's so much traffic in Sydney right now, long weekend things, and that was just chaotic. So let's go and get what we need from the grocery store, and then I can finally go home and relax because it's going to be like a one pot, chuck it all in kind of dinner. Get one of these. Oh my god, I just want to be home in bed. If they don't have the meat that I want, I am not going to cook that dish. I'm going to cook something else, but I can't even remember. This is what I want, but why are they so long? Last time I got them, they were like shorter ones. So much easier. White onion, garlic, lemon, baby bok choy. I can't be bothered cutting up broccoli, so how many of these do I need? One, just one. Spring onion. So irrelevant, but I am a cordial girl at any age. I don't care what age it is. I haven't tried this one. Okay. I'm obsessed with cordial. Alright, now I need some chicken broth. I'll get this one and then I add normal chicken stock as well. Rice noodles. I buy myself flowers every week. I actually low-key miss having somebody who loves me enough to do it, but let's go white. Okay, now my broth is being made. It's going to have a lot of flavor when it's done. This is nowhere near the end product. I've got to add all my veggies, but this takes about 4 hours for this broth and the meat to like start falling off the bone. So I'm going to end this vlog here.